In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Microsoft Teams to n8n. This has become much easier thanks to updated integrations and native support improvements. If you want to automate your workflows between Teams and other services, n8n lets you build flexible, no-code, low-code automations that can save you a lot of time. The process starts by making sure you have both a Microsoft account with Teams access and a working n8n instance, either self-hosted or through n8n Cloud. Once you're logged into n8n, you can open the workflow editor and search for the Microsoft Teams node in the Nodes panel. Drag it into your workflow canvas and connect it to the trigger or service you want to integrate with, such as email, databases, or project management apps. The first time you use the Teams node, you'll be asked to set up authentication. In 2025, the simplest way is to use OAuth 2 with Microsoft 365 credentials. You'll need to create an Azure app registration in your Microsoft Intra admin portal. Give it the proper permissions like chat, read-write, channel message, send, or group, read, all depending on what you want to automate, and copy the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret back into n8n. Once saved, you can authorize n8n to interact with your Teams workspace. After this step, the node can send messages, create channels, or even monitor conversations automatically. For example, you might create a workflow where every time a new task is created in Trello or Notion, a Teams channel gets an automated notification, or you can set up a workflow that posts daily database reports directly to a Teams chat. Pro tips for smooth setup include making sure your Azure app permissions are admin granted if you're in a company account, otherwise the node won't have permission to post messages. It's also smart to test with a private channel first before rolling it out to a big group, so you can check formatting and avoid spamming colleagues. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.